Transforming a rough piece of wood into a wardrobe. The craftsman's step-by-step process. Welcome to the DIY Crafter YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting our channel, where the passion for creativity is ignited every day. At D Crafter, we believe that each one of us has a talented crafter inside, and we are here to help you discover that. Together, we will create wonders with our hands and imagination. Welcome to the DIY Crafter community, where creativity knows no bounds. Wishing you a day full of inspiration and creativity. Let's start our creative journey right now, shall we? Today, let's explore the craftsman's step-by-step process transforming a rough piece of wood into a wardrobe. Turning a rough piece of wood into a wardrobe is a process that requires skill, meticulousness, and dexterity from the craftsman. It's not just about creating a household item but also about crafting a piece of art. Let's explore the steps a craftsman takes to transform a piece of wood into a unique and high-quality wardrobe. Step 1. Selecting the wood. The first and most crucial step is choosing the wood. Natural woods like oak, pine, or walnut are often chosen for their durability and natural beauty. The craftsman selects pieces of wood that are suitable in size and quality for the wardrobe design. Step 2. Designing and planning. Before starting the crafting process, the craftsman must plan and design the wardrobe in detail. This includes determining the overall dimensions, the number of compartments, layout, and any decorative details if required. Step 3. Cutting and shaping the wood. Based on the design, the wood is cut and shaped. Each part of the wardrobe, from the sides, doors, to drawers, is cut with high precision. Step 4. Assembling and constructing. After cutting and shaping, the parts are joined together. The craftsman uses sturdy joining techniques to ensure that the wardrobe is robust and durable. Step 5. Crafting patterns and decorative details. For wardrobes with high aesthetic requirements, the craftsman proceeds to craft patterns and decorative details. This stage requires high precision and skill. Step 6. Surface treatment. After assembly, the wood surface is treated to ensure smoothness and attractiveness. This includes sanding, smoothing, and applying paint or protective wax. Step 7. Fitting accessories. Finally, the craftsman installs accessories such as handles, hinges, and clothes rails. These accessories are carefully selected to match the style and functionality of the wardrobe. Step 8. Final inspection and completion. Before completion, the wardrobe undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure the quality of construction and finishing. The craftsman checks for any imperfections and ensures that every detail is perfect. This transformation process from a rough piece of wood to a wardrobe is a journey filled with passion and skill. Through the hands of the craftsman, the wardrobe becomes not just a place for storing clothes but also a work of art, reflecting the personality and style of the homeowner.
tay cho bạn bạn nữa, tay ra như kẹp tay.
Nhiều mũi tay vậy?